Hello, Tragoras family.
How are you there?
I have a YouTube channel. Please comment and share, like and subscribe. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Edda. I live in Australia and it's nice to see my siblings here in the Philippines. We were happy. They were singing last night and it was so nice to see them. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Ophelia. Ito sa mga kapatid. Nandito sila bumisita para kami mag-happy-happy. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm also a member of this family. I'm Rebecca. I'm coming from Davao City. We're just here to see each